questions?
Yes.
I am
Almera.
ready to answer that.
Okay, what is your status on Facebook?
Okay, my status in my Facebook is engaged to you, Basil.
You're engaged.
Yes.
That's a coincidence because I too am engaged.
Yeah, you engaged me, Almera.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my fiancée, Almera.
And you are my fiancé, Basil. Hey you, what is your status on Facebook? May I know?
I am engaged. Engaged to Almera.
Wow, awesome.
And you?
I'm also engaged to Basil.
We are both engaged. What a coincidence!
Yay!
To each other!
Yes! Big hugs, big thanks to God.
How do you
Amen.
do this? Like, I see people doing like this. Is that it? Oh. Oh my god, I still haven't. How do we do this? There it is. Oh yeah, easy. That's how you do it,
Yay!
folks.
Yeah. Love you.
I'll eat.
Lying on my bed, staring into the blue, unrequited, terrifying. Love is driving me up, quiet, terrifying. Love is